Hey everyone, today I thought it would be fun to do a Mad Lib. While back, I know Miss Atkinson did a Mad Lib with you, and that was when we had a story and there were blanks in it, and we had to come up with a whole bunch of different words in a list, and then we put our words into the story, and it made it really funny. So that's what we're going to do today. So, first thing is you need to get a piece of paper and a pencil so that we can make our list of words first, because you don't want to read the story before you make your words, or else it won't be as funny. Okay, so I'm going to number mine. So I'm going to put 1, my word, 2, my word. That way it's easier to put it into the story when I'm finished. So the first word we need to think of is an adjective. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes something. Furry, what it could look like, what it sounds like, loud, maybe what color it is, red. Pick an adjective, a word that could describe something. Mine's going to be furry. That's the first thing I thought of. So I've made number 1, furry. That's my adjective. All right, now I'm going to write number 2. Number 2 is another adjective. So think of a different adjective, another describing word. Mine is going to be loud. So my second adjective is loud. And notice I'm just making a list. I'm numbering them so it's easier. All right. Number 3 is a plural noun. Remember, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. And making it plural just means that you're saying that there's more than one. So we're adding an S, an ES to the end of that word. So think of a person, place, or thing. I'm thinking of a place. So I was thinking of park. And in order to make the word park plural, say that there's many of it, I'm going to say parks. So my plural noun is parks. Okay, I'm just continuing to make my list. All right. Number 4 is an adverb. An adverb is a word that describes an action. So how could you do something? You could, a lot of times it ends in an ly, so it could be quietly, it could be quickly, it could be silently, it could be lots of different things. Okay, so pick a word that describes how you might do something. I am going to pick the word quickly. All right. Okay, number 5 is another verb. A verb is a action word. So what's an action you can do? Verb. I'm going to pick jump. Jump is an action I can do. All right, number 6 is a noun, a person, a place, or a thing. This time I'm going to pick a person and I'm going to say a teacher. That's my person, a teacher. I'm going to put myself into this story. So I chose the noun, teacher. All right, number 7 is another verb, another action. What's something else that you can do, that something can do? I'm going to put eat. That's my action, eat. Okay. Number 8 is a food, and we have to make it plural. Think of a food. I'm going to do pie. And if I want to make pie plural, meaning that there's more than one pie, I'm going to say pies. What's your food? And then make it plural. All right, number 8 is pies. Number 9 is another food and make it plural. I'm going to say spaghetti. Okay. And you have to make it plural, but spaghetti is plural, even though it doesn't have an S at the end of it. It's kind of a weird one. Okay, number 10, we have two more. Number 10 is another adverb, so the way you do something. Think about maybe the way you walk. What could be a word to describe how you walk? Or the way you talk, or the way you run. Think of ly words. I'm going to say sleepily. Means you're doing something and you're kind of half asleep. You're falling asleep. And the last one is a place. So a noun, that's a place. Any place. I'm going to say the grocery store. That's my place. All right. So now that we've made a list of all of our words, got it all listed here, we can put them into the story. So you're just going to go line by line, word by word, and copy it into the story. So I'm going to read you what mine turned out to be, and I cannot wait to see what yours are. One furry summer morning, the zebras woke up to see 3 loud parks. They were unlocking the door to the pen. The zebras quickly ran through the open door, then jumped behind a nearby teacher. The zebras quickly ate for the zoo restaurant, where they ordered pies and spaghetti. They sleepily took their treats and went to the grocery store. So the funny thing about Mad Libs is they make no sense, and that's what usually will give you a little laugh. So I cannot wait to see what you guys end up making. Have a great day.